So I'm gonna mix it up for y'all. Mix it up. So this is how it looks. Yeah. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my shirt, please. Please, we gotta throw it up like that because, yeah. But anyways, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a cooking video. And we're gonna be making a low carb chicken and broccoli Alfredo. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. But anyways, I was gonna use my little glass dish, but that's too little bit, you feel me? So yeah, we're not, yeah. So I am gonna be using a round dish like this, and we're just gonna, you know, do it like that. So what we're gonna do first of all, I have to season it and cook it. So that's what we're gonna do first. So in order to do that quick, we're gonna just season it and do everything in this one bowl, because this is where we're gonna steam it, cook it, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, right now my chicken was sitting in vinegar and water cleaning or whatever. So we're just rinsing the chicken, and then we're gonna chop it up, chop the meat. So I was gonna do it in strips, but we're gonna do it in cubes. I'm gonna do little pieces. I don't want it to look I don't like big chunks of chicken pieces inside of Alfredo. I'm gonna mute this part because it's annoying cutting through this glass. Alright, I need y'all to see me, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. Yeah, you need to see me. I need to move my little my baby's bottom steamer. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. Now we're gonna rinse it again. I'll be going extra crazy when I rinse my chicken. Alright, so now we're gonna season. Dry the chicken a little bit. My hands is clean, so I think I am gonna use a spoon though, or gloves, just cause I don't feel like, yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna use some olive oil, and then we're gonna start seasoning. Put whatever seasonings you want. I'm gonna put pepper, some salt. I like to season my chicken with Creole seasoning. I feel like that's what really makes it taste good. We're gonna use some parsley. If you don't know now, you know. I use parsley and everything. Cumin, sazon. This one I'm gonna drown it because I noticed with this sazon, you don't really taste much. Oof. It's a lot of seasoning. Adobo, onion powder, garlic. I mean, does it count paprika? Does it count as low carb if you're using all these seasonings? I don't know. That's why I'm like that, because I'm not too sure. But these same seasonings, well, not all of them, but some of them, like the garlic and onion powder and the pepper and a teeny bit of salt, you're gonna use those for the Alfredo as well. So I was gonna buy the can that's already made, but I'm like, let me just make it from scratch and do it that way. So we're gonna brown this chicken, cook it real good until it's like almost well done. Almost well done. All right, almost. See how you put the olive oil already, so it's not gonna stick. Even though this is already a non-stick pan. So you just want to put this on the oven, I mean stove top, and let that cook. Let that cook. You're gonna do like medium to high heat. Thirsty. Where's my Stanley cup? So now that that's doing its thing, now we're gonna make the sauce in here. I'm not gonna make too much because it's gonna be like a kind of a small dish. I don't know. I'm not gonna do too much though. I'm gonna just tell y'all what I'm gonna use. All right, so heavy cream, a little bit of salt, pepper, onion and garlic, and parsley. Garlic, onion, and then mozzarella cheese. And then you're gonna mix it with that. And then at the end you're gonna put, before you put it in the oven, you're gonna put Parmesan cheese. All right, so now we're gonna take a little deeper dish than the other one that I'm making the chicken in. And we're gonna use avocado oil spray. Just so it won't get stuck a little bit, you know how broccoli can get. So then you wanna take your broccoli. I got this bag. All right, so you're gonna just layer the bottom part basically with broccoli. All right, raw like this, out the fridge, like that. Damn, I violated this bag. I'm gonna have to put some in. So you just wanna put enough, basically. I'm gonna spread it though. I'm gonna break some pieces because some of them are too big. Then we're gonna take the chicken. So without taking all the extra juice, we're just gonna add the chicken to the top as a layer. All right, I'm gonna use another spoon. Chicken. Mine is mad red. Some people, some of theirs look lighter, like a lighter chicken. Mine is a little darker, but that don't even matter. So boom. Right, so it should look like this. And then now we're gonna use Parmesan cheese, shredded cheese. So you wanna drown it actually. Yeah. Just drown it. So it should look like this. Now the cheese. I mean the Alfredo sauce. All right, so now we're gonna put the Alfredo sauce in it. So just look at it. You see it. Just look at it. So it should look like this. And there you have some low carb chicken Alfredo with broccoli. So the oven is already preheated, so now I'm just gonna put this in there for 12 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show y'all the ending results. All right, we're gonna go check the food. All right, so I did 13 minutes. Yeah, 13 or 14, one of them. We shall serve. So I'm gonna mix it up for y'all. Mix it up. This looks good. So this is how it looks. I mean, to be real, you could really just do this on the stove without putting it in the oven, but I want it to be fancy today. So we're gonna serve ourselves. Yeah. You see it, you see it. When I go like this, yeah. This don't go crazy. This don't slap here. It's just a little darker because I put more seasoning than the lady. Oh, hot.
No, it's more than that.